Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to fix we disabled your Facebook account for 180 days. So at first you want to head over to Google and search for Facebook Health Center. After that you want to click on recover your Facebook just like so. Let it load and then what you want to do is scroll down until you find this. Was this helpful? Click on no and then click on other. From there say hey, my Facebook account was wrongly disabled, and then put in whatever the reason was. Let's say it was your profile picture. My profile picture was put wrong and that's why I got disabled, but I didn't mean to do it and it won't happen from next time. Please review it and allow me access to my account again. And then you need to put your name, whatever your name is, your email, whatever email is connected with your Facebook account, and your phone number, and click on submit. Usually within 24 to 48 hours they will check it and give your account back. But yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.